guys doing in there? We're just here at the Total Archery Challenge here in Snowbird. We got the man, the myth, the legend himself, Big Tying Outfitters and Father Wisdom. Just here, just got the booth set up. This is the first day, waiting for a bunch of people to come and have fun. Lose some arrows, but maybe not. Maybe you won't lose arrows. Maybe we'll just come have fun. But yeah, you want to see a little look around. We got Cabela's, First Light, across from Mountain Ops. Go register right there. Beautiful scenery. Kind of hard to beat. But we're gonna be here through Sunday having fun. Hopefully I can get these uploaded the night of each day and you can follow along. We're going to hang out the booth, go check some other stuff out, maybe shoot the practice course, and then Saturday morning we're going up on the Bow Shops lift to go shoot the Sitka course with Father Wisdom, John, my brother-in-law, and Jeff Baird, Strip Taxidermy, Baird's Beard Oil, my cousin. So yeah, hopefully we have some fun. All right, so Brayden and I are gonna leave the booth, see if we can't go find some breakfast. We left super early to get up here. I had to wake up at 4 to get to Father Wisdom's by 5 to leave. It was super special. So we're gonna go wander around, see if we can't find anything to eat for breakfast that's not like half my life savings. Brayden got his beauty sleep. So rumor has it that in here near the restrooms, first floor, there's a pizza place and there's a breakfast place. I think it's the place we went and got a sample from, and there wasn't a whole lot of breakfast there. I don't care who you are. We found the place. It took a while. It was a struggle, but we found it. All right, guys, good freaking news. We got 3 Mount Baldy breakfast burritos. We're feeling good. They're looking good. Everything's right in the world again, so I'm gonna pound these, maybe do some more exploring. We'll see. All right, quick little update, folks. The canopy's like a sauna in Bermuda right now. Super hot, super humid. Still met some awesome people. Still the view has not got old, but I wouldn't mind if it clouded up a little bit or got a cool breeze. Haven't gone and shot yet. Hopefully before the day's over we can at least go fling some arrows at the practice range, if not the locals course. But so far so good. Had some pizza. The pizza was good, surprisingly. For the price, it was great, but just chilling, really. Today's been super laid back. It's Thursday. It's the middle of the week. I wasn't expecting a ton of people, but I wouldn't mind if it picked up a little bit. So maybe tomorrow it will pick up. I think it will. Friday afternoon. Saturday's probably going to be swamped. Just waiting for it to pick up a little bit. But finally getting the bow out in a little bit. Ben should be here with Eric, brother Eric Chester. Shed crazy. Might go shoot the practice course. Make sure we're on here at this elevation. Have some fun. Man, there are these little ground squirrels everywhere. They keep coming into our booth, trying to steal our pizza. Need to trap one. We'll go and get some shots in, build the confidence, or destroy it, one or the other. But we're gonna go with the positive. We're just into building confidence. We'll see you at the practice range.
Man, you guys, we're winding down. Another great day at Total Archery Challenge. It's been a lot of fun. I've been slinging arrows for hours now, getting everything perfectly dialed. I haven't not shot a 12 ring for probably the last 45 minutes or so. I'm so confident that I just even like shoot when people are out on the course. It's not against the rules, but just want to invite you guys to come up here to Total Archery Challenge, check out the canvas cutter booth. I've been here all day, took a nice nap in the canvas cutter today, enjoyed a good lunch, and be here all day tomorrow. So it's a party. Come on up. We're going. Your best shot. Oh, you big sis. I dropped 12s all day.
Okay, just shot a few arrows at the practice course. Feel pretty good about it. All right, after a prolonged wait, we're retrieving some arrows. Oh, dang it. Is that center 12? That is, darn.
Sorry, Eric, I need to shoot your arrow.
Sorry. Sorry, guys, didn't mean to get a 12 ring. The first one.
Sorry, guys, I didn't mean to look at my shots over here and on the bear and on that one.
Dude, you did good on this. You did good on this deer. Not so hot on this one. Got that lower. There's actually a huge vein that runs through here, so dead deer, dead deer.
What's that one with its head in the air? Like that.
Okay. I'm guessing that's
60, I bet 65, almost 70.
The beard look good?
Sounds good. Yep. I've created the two right down a yard.
That was a good shot.
all right. We got all 3 arrows out at a rutting buck at 52 yards. Got 1 spined him. He's dead. Got 2 near the 12 ring. We'll have to see when we get closer, but I think the line's going to be hot for a little bit, so we'll wait.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sore. Wind, why? What's up, son? What do they call that? What do they call that? 1, 2, 12 ring all day. That's enough for me.
I'm done. Hi. Dude. Feeling good. Oh, dude, we're right now. 380.
380 bucks.
All right, man. Prime doing the job again. Felt good. All good shots. So we're calling it a day. Gonna go back, see what Father Wisdom's doing, and then probably pack things up and head home. Alright, we're back home. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's so windy, but I'm pretty exhausted. Gonna go home, eat some food, play with the kids, take a shower, and go to bed. But I'll see you guys in the morning.